And I'm just excited that now we've been a band for 10 years. I can't believe it.
Congratulations. I wanted to,
Yeah,
if I
congrats.
didn't touch on that earlier,
Yeah,
congratulations.
it's hard to keep a band together for 10 years, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We're really stoked, and we're stoked that like people still believe in us and that we have a sick label behind us and our managers are amazing. I just everyone, our booking agent, like everyone's amazing, you know, and it's exciting to see people into it, and yeah.